George is a young man. He does not have a wife, but he has a very big dog. And he has a very small car too. He likes playing tennis. Last Monday, he played tennis for an hour at his club. And then he ran out and jumped into a car. His dog came after him. But it did not jump into the same car. It jumped into the next one. "Come here, silly dog," George shouted at it, but the dog stayed in the other car. George put his keys into the lock of the car, but the key did not turn. Then he looked at the car again. It was not his. He was in the wrong car, and the dog was in the right one. "He's sitting and laughing at me," George said angrily, but then he smiled and got into his car with the dog.